Hi, thanks for joining me while I show you how to make my favorite lavender sugar scrub. So quick and easy. I use sugar in the raw, and it looks like this, turbinado sugar. We're going to put a 1/4 cup of sugar in the raw, and then I have a 1/4 cup of organic coconut oil also. It's hot today, so I tried refrigerating this. I don't know how it's going to turn out. You will see. Okay, so I'm going to add 8 drops of lavender essential oil. And also, I love these for my skin. Lavender or frankincense essential oil also. I'm going to put 2 or 3 drops of this. I like the smell of these two together, and I just love how they make my skin feel. So this is so easy. Like that. Scoop it into your bowl. And there you have it. You have your own lavender sugar scrub. No toxins. Just all good stuff for your skin. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.